Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel IndustryNx. In the previous session, we have discussed about Industry 4.0 and components of Industry 4.0. In this session, we are going to understand the second technology from the IndustryNx technology wheel, and that is additive manufacturing. We will see what additive manufacturing is, its types, and its applications. Additive manufacturing is a computer-aided process of making and developing a part by depositing material on a 2D plane. Material is deposited layer by layer on a plane. In traditional manufacturing process, the material is removed or cut from raw job, but in additive manufacturing, material is added layer upon layer in a precise movement to develop the part. AM extensively uses stereolithographic technique for layer upon layer material creation. Additive manufacturing is also called as 3D printing or rapid prototyping. AM system consists of following components: 3D CAD model for modeling software, model conversion to convert the 3D model file into layer by layer geometry, material disposition process. It depends on which material to be used for part development. 3D printer for material deposition, depowdering system to clean the manufactured parts. There are many advantages of AM as they produce complex geometries with very less waste. They are ideal for rapid prototyping. AM also develops parts which are impossible to produce to conventional machining methods. AM developed parts are already used in aerospace, auto sector, and medical industry. Based on part development, additive manufacturing process has been grouped into 7 different categories. Binder jetting. This technique uses a 3D printing style head to deposit layer upon layer of powdered material and a liquid binder as an adhesive. The bed is still in binder jetting. Directed energy deposition. It basically uses a laser beam to melt a stock of material. The bed moves vertically up and the laser beam moves in the XY plane only. Material extrusion. It is a common AM process where heated material is extruded through nozzle and material is built layer upon layer. Power bed fusion. It uses variety of process such as melting of direct material or melting of sintering material to create the part and remove the remaining parts. Sheet lamination. It is used to join sheets together and form 3D objects. Based on joining technology, it has 3 types, which are LOM, that is Laminated Object Manufacturing, SDL, that is Selective Deposition Lamination, and UAM, that is Ultrasonic Additive Manufacturing. You can watch NX suggested video to get more details about LOM, SDL, and UAM technologies. Next is VAT polymerization. It uses liquid resin photopolymer to create an object and the UV light to cure the resin. Wire arc additive manufacturing. This process commonly uses wire as a material source and follows a predetermined path to create a desired shape. This method of additive manufacturing is usually performed using robotic welding equipment. There are many companies offering AM technology solutions and masters either in one or more technologies. You can see this matrix and consult us for more information about each technology and market leaders. You need to watch suggested video to get more idea about market leaders in each technology. Additive manufacturing is an important technology circle in Industry 4.0. AM is in a nascent phase right now and will revolutionize part development process. With increase in demand, the cost of AM will reduce and become more affordable in the future. Looking at the advantages, AM also has certain disadvantages such as limitation in finishing, high production cost, limited surface quality. We will discuss major AM technologies in a separate video and understand more about additive manufacturing. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. If you like this video, share it with others. We would love to hear from you, so do write us in the comment section. Stay tuned with us for more videos on Industry 4.0.